No arrest yet for either of the two bank robberies that happened yesterday, just hours apart, but it may be just a matter of time if recent history is any indication. SNN Local News 6 reporter Grant Boxleitner investigates what makes arrests likely.
Here at the Synovus Bank on 41 in Sarasota County is where the latest bank robbery occurred here in a series of robberies over the last several months. We wanted to talk to law enforcement more about the trend. Synovus and a BB&T branch were both hit on Wednesday. There have been 4 bank robberies in the last 72 days inside the Sarasota city limits alone. But in this high-tech age of crime solving, suspects who commit this age-old crime rarely stay on the run for long. Sarasota Captain Paul Sutton.
Some of the advantages on investigating a robbery of a financial institution is that typically we have high-quality video. And that's where the public and the media comes in. Because when we distribute that video to the media and to the public, we get help.
And that combination of high-resolution surveillance, the public, and the news media has proven successful in solving many bank robberies throughout the Suncoast.
We end up arresting the suspect and, in some cases, recovering some of the stolen money.
Sutton says the profile of those robbing banks in these tough economic times is changing.
We're actually seeing some older people committing bank robberies, and that's interesting. I think in part of it is desperation.
That was the case in 2008 with the so-called Publix bank robber Edgar Stevenson. Authorities say the convicted felon was responsible for as many as 9 heists before his capture in Sarasota. And it was a tipster who recognized him in a surveillance photo that led to his arrest.
Even yesterday's bank robbery, part of the description is salt and pepper colored hair.
And here at Synovus Bank, a deputy is stationed here for the next week and will be working closely with staff in the aftermath of this latest robbery. Reporting in Sarasota County, Grant Boxleitner, SNN Local News 6.
And we did some checking in Charlotte County as well. So far this year, no bank robberies and only one in all of 2011. That one happened in March at the Suncoast School Federal Credit Union in Punta Gorda.